Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change your Instagram account profile picture on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to change your Instagram account profile picture, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser, just search for Instagram, or you can directly open Instagram from your bookmark, or if you have an icon here, or you can go ahead to search and search for Instagram. Open the first website from here and just log into your account. So once you have logged in, you must get this step interface. You just have to click on profile to get your profile here. Now if you want to change your profile photo, so just click on this camera icon here to click on new profile photo, or you can also click on edit profile, and here just click on change photo. Now you just have to select any photo from your gallery. So I have some photos. So let's say I'm gonna select this one from here. And once you have selected, it will take some moments to upload, and once it's done, your profile photo will be successfully changed. Now you just have to go to your profile and just reload your page to reload your photo here. So in this way, you can easily change your Instagram account profile pictures. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.